Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create tickets on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is search for ticket tool on any of the browser you have on your PC. Click on this ticket tool, the #1 Discord support bot. Just go ahead and click on it and click on invite ticket tool. After that, you can see that Discord will have authorization access. If this is not your account, just go ahead and click on not you and log into your another account, and you can see add a server over here. Just go ahead and click on add to my server. So after you select this server over here, just click on continue, click authorize, wait for a while, click on I'm a human, and there you go. This is all you gotta do. Click on go to the server over here, and the server will open up. Now you can see that you can add your ticket quite easily. So what you need to do is go to this spot over here once again. So you can see that this has been added over here. Now if you want to add a ticket, you can do that as well. You can go to the server, and people need to open this server, and you can see the ticket over here. You can see tickets being shown, and you can enter it. So if this doesn't work, you can go to ticket tool once again. After you go to ticket tool, you can click on this link over here, and you can go to dashboard. Now you can click login with Discord. Go ahead and log into your Discord account. Select your account and click authorize. In a while, this will be there. So you can see that servers with ticket tool is done over here. What you can do is click on manage, which is over here, and you can see that you should create one. Just go ahead and create one ticket over here. Just go ahead and click on custom commands and click on new command over here, and you can see that this person will do something. You can see that you can write something right here and click on edit message or click save, and this ticket will be created. You can go to server info. You can see that there are these options over here. You can see that there are options over here as well. You can check them out. You can see new ticket as well for creating command style tickets. So you can see allow channels over here. Just go ahead and select all of these channels if you want. You can see there are servers over here. So you can see disable channels over here. You can see the roles. You can select the role of the person which you want to create as a ticket collector. You can also see this, and you can now create a new tool. Just go ahead and click on save, wait for a while, and there you go. You have now created a new ticket. While other people join your Discord, they will see the ticket option over here. Once they join it, they must click on a ticket. We will not see this ticket right now because you are doing this and you are the admin. While you invite people, they must have to click on enter a ticket, and they will easily join the group. So this way you can enable a ticket, guys. You can see support team only will also be there. You can enable this as well, and this will enable the ticket, and this is how you can create a ticket tool. So you can see there are a lot of other options over here as well, and you can see a new ticket, new commands, and what else. So guys, this is how you can create a ticket on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.